Hey guys, today we are reviewing the Lights Lacquer Afterparty. So this one comes with 3 shades. And I think this is like, I don't know if this was an actual collection or if it's just like a little bundle. I don't think it was like an actual collection. I feel like it's just, I don't know. But either way, it's got 3 shades in it. So let's get into it. The first one that we have here is called, I cannot pronounce it. It's like Voles Vos or something like that. I know I'm saying that wrong, but anyway, this is this shade here. So it's like this kind of milky shade. It's got like a beautiful little reflex through it, like a pinky bluey reflex. The next shade that we have is called Dirty Dancing. This one's so pretty. This is like a silvery shade. It's got like a bit of like a green like tint to it, and this has like chunkier like a silver glitter in it. So that is our second shade there. And then the last shade of this collection is called City of Stars, and this one is like silvery again, and it has like rainbow glitter through it, but this one doesn't have like chunky glitter. This is like fine glitter. So I'm going to insert the little clip of me doing my nails now, and then I will be back. Okay guys, so the 2 shades that I'm going to take today are out of the, what's it called, Afterparty set. So the first one I cannot pronounce. It's Voles Vols or something like that. It's this like beautiful like milky shimmery shade. And then I'm also going to take this one called Dirty Dancing. And yeah, this one looks like it has kind of like chunky glitter and stuff in it. So I think that I'm going to do this one on like the 2 feature fingers, like this one and this one, and then do the milky shade on the rest. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so these are the shades after the first coat. As you can see, they're both very sheer. I'm really hoping that we get a little bit more colour in the next coat, because I hate being able to see my natural nail. But anyway, I'm going to let that dry and then we're going to do some more coats. Okay, here is coat number 2. Hopefully you can see that. I'm hoping that on that 3rd coat we're going to get just a little bit more pigment. Because yeah, like they're pretty, like definitely like they're very pretty shades. Like here's like a kind of, oh you can't even, they're not even in frame long. Here's like a comparison of like the 2. This hand only has 1 coat and this has 2, which is not going to focus, is it? So like you can see that obviously that 2nd coat has added like a little bit more colour. But yeah, I think I was just hoping for something a little bit more like a little bit more base pigment. But anyway, we'll do the 3rd coat and see how it looks anyway. Okay, here is our 3rd and final coat. It is so hard to get this in frame. I'm going to add like a couple of little nail art things now, and also put on the top coat, and then yeah, I'll show you guys how they are looking at the end. Okay, so this is the finished set. I feel like it is quite cute. I like this shade most. Like I feel like I like the, you know, the colour of this one. I like the pigment that has now come through. I don't love this one as much. I think it's just not really my kind of, like it's pretty, but I don't know, I just feel like you need a certain like nail type to be able to pull this off. But yeah, I don't mind it at all. I feel like it's a cute little set. But yeah, I definitely like this colour more, and that is the Dirty Dancing shade. But yeah, that is the finished set. I feel like this hand turned out a lot cuter than this hand. I like this, I don't like this. Like, the stickers kind of, I don't know what happened there, but anyway. You would have seen a little manicure just happen then. And yeah, so I did those yesterday, and this is how they are looking. Super pretty and cute. I have to say my favourite shade, I haven't tried out City of Stars yet, so I'll try that out another time. It looks stunning. But yeah, I used these 2 yesterday. Dirty Dancing is my favourite shade. I just think it's stunning. It's the shade here and here. I feel like it just catches the sun so pretty, and yeah, I don't know, it's just stunning. I love looking at it, and yeah, I wish it had a tiny little bit more opacity, I think, like a little bit more like color behind it, but honestly I still love it heaps. It's so beautiful. The other shade is this one, the like milky kind of one, the Valas Vuls, which I can't pronounce. This one I don't think is for me. Like, it is pretty, but I just don't think it suits my nails. So it's on this obviously one here, it's there, it's also in the thumb finger. Like, it's still pretty, I still like it. I just think it's not my favourite shade. Like, I don't know, there's just something about it. It just, maybe if I had like more, if I was more tan or something like that, I feel like maybe it'd look a little bit nicer. Like, it's still pretty, but yeah, it's just not my favourite. And I don't like that you can see my natural nail behind it. That is the thing that I don't like about these two polishes, is that yeah, you can still see the natural nail behind it. So yeah, I wish there was a little bit more opacity. Am I saying that right? I don't know. But you guys know what I mean. But apart from that, I'm really happy. I actually quite like this set. I feel like it's quite cute. I love the little decorations that I added as well. These were both from Lights Lacquer. We have the stickers on this one and the little gems on that one, or the little charms. So yeah, I did actually really quite like this set. I think my favourite finger is the ring finger. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've tried these shades. And yeah, let me know what you're thinking of the nail content, because I am really enjoying it at the moment. But yeah, I'd like to know what you guys think of it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!